Okay.
Look at our potatoes. Do you see it?
Yep.
Do you see our potatoes?
Yep.
Wow, that's like a real potato. Look, and there's more. I mean, there's more throughout here too. But that was like, wow, that's a big potato. Well, for what we're used to. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no baby potato. Oops. Is that a worm? Yeah, don't. Oh, I can't wait to show my mama. Are you still recording?
Yep.
Okay, good. So you can see all of them. Do you want to try grabbing them or no? You want to just
No,
record?
I'm fine.
Oh, what kind of that? Oh, right, we have different kinds in here. The amount of joy I feel right now. Yeah, look at all these other potatoes that could have been. I think this is going to be our potato bag, David.
Mm.
This is a pretty good one. And it stays relatively clean, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Bro, I look like such a creep, but I can't believe I was able to do all this stuff. My mom, she's going to be so impressed. She's going to be so proud of us, David. I can't wait till we can do this on like a big scale, you know?
Yeah.
Because even just, you see this balcony? If we could fill this up with potatoes by itself, that would have been amazing. Oops. Sorry. Did it grow this potato? I don't think so. That was in the middle of growing. Other ones, though.
You could probably sell this.
David, I think it grew this potato.
I don't think so.
Feel it.
So then what grew the plant?
Maybe one of the other ones, and then it just started growing from it.
I don't know. See what other kinds of potatoes are in there before you say it grew it.
Yeah, but it's really hard. Huh, I don't know.
Weren't there more potatoes deeper?
Oh, yeah. Hi! This is our elephant garlic and just regular garlic, and I think there's maybe an onion. They should all be garlic though. So let's see. And those are all the potatoes we got. Oh, they're still tiny.
Mm.
But they're already yellowing now.
And we're about to move, so.
Yeah, we're about to move. It's okay. Dump out a little bit more soil. I'm just surprised we got something in general, too.
Yeah, because these were just little cloves that we separated.
Yup. This one looks like barely anything. This one I'm actually pretty impressed by though. Look, that actually looks like
turns into more a whole clove.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, this one looks pretty good. This is more the size that you think of, you know?
Yeah.
I love that all our hard work is finally paying off, David. And I just told you we were out of garlic too. So I guess this does solve
But we have to let it dry first.
Yeah, it's gotta dry. For how many days? 30?
What the heck?
Oh, this is just a green onion. I'm gonna keep that though.
Ooh.
This one's pretty good. Yeah. So we did get 3 solid ones.
Yeah.
Ta-da! So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hi! Alright, so it is IP from IP's Great Adventure. Today, me and my husband, we did some harvesting. That is what this is. I had some fennel, so we took out the fennel. We're literally leaving this Friday, so we had to do this, you know? That's why everything might look a little bit small, but I love licorice, so I'm gonna eat that up. We had some baby potatoes, you know, those small ones that normally people throw away. I just kept them. No, I just keep them because I chop them off like in half. Like you just take this, you put it in half, and then you just stir fry it, and it tastes really good as little like stir fry potatoes. And then these are mixed beans. What else we got? Oh, we got these potatoes. Yeah, we got this big ass russet potato and then everything else. But these golden ones are really nice looking too. I think I like the golden better. I don't know why the russet only did like 1 mark. Well, it had a couple other ones next to it. We only have 4 of this one though. And then a lot more of the golden one. And then we have some garlic. They're not big. They're pretty small. Especially this one. But you see they were already starting to die and wither away. So I was like, okay, my peas, I think you see behind me, my pea vine, it was dying, so it was time for these things to start going too. The fennel and the beans were just because it looked like they were ready, and that's all we really needed to get to. I don't know anybody who eats fennel except for us, so. If you know anybody who wants fennel though. But yeah. I'm so proud of my little garlic. Okay, I have 3 that look like pretty decent sizes. They're not huge, but it's pretty nice. Okay, and now we let that dry. And I'm just gonna put my little potatoes with the other potatoes that I harvested a couple months ago. David, we gotta figure out what we're gonna put these potatoes in. Right?
We gotta grow potatoes again?
Huh?
Is that what you said? We gotta grow potatoes again?
No, I said we gotta figure out where we're gonna put them. They look so cute. I know it's supposed to get really, really fat, but that's good enough for us. Especially just for me and my partner. We're only 2 people. No one else is really being fed. I like this bean. I have no idea what it is. I think, okay, so I had a bean mix, right? And you best believe I just went and I looked at every bean that possibly could be different and I stuck it in there. Just everything went in the dirt. It's a really pretty pinkish color. I'm gonna zoom in. By zoom in, I'm just gonna put you guys closer. Ta-da! This is the garlic. There are the potatoes. Those are the little small ones. Here's our big boy. Don't know what the heck happened there, but it's, yep, he's solid. And there's the little 3 other ones that came with it, and then everything else is the golden potatoes. These are nice sizes. They're pretty decent. 3 fennel. The beans. Yep. And that's it for now. Oh, I did change up the way the garden looks just a little bit because, again, we are moving this Friday. We got like 2 more days. I don't know. I think today's Wednesday or it's Thursday. Who knows? But look at the garden. Look at the garden. I changed it up. So tomatoes are still the same. Our sunflower is out. We got this other sunflower that's busting out too. Oh, it's so pretty. I moved all the cucumbers together. These are eggplants. Those are the spiky things I was asking you guys about. We got some tomatoes on here, so I'm letting them grow. We got those that we're gonna bring automatically. This is all one stem, by the way. Look at this. It's just one solid piece. Oh, that's nice. Oh, and then look at these purple ones. That's pretty. I still have beans. They're still growing. Nothing really scaled up like the peas, though. But, you know, chamomile's still good. My celery is still fine. I'm gonna keep that hidden, though. I just watered everything, as you can see. It is dry. Yeah, look. I moved my catnip over to a little container like this, so when I move, I can just pick it up and bring it with me. We're gonna take this with us. We're definitely taking the strawberries with us. My thyme, because I use it all the time. Yeah. And then this is, everything's growing here. See? Where I picked the fennel out of. Yeah, it looks so empty now. I don't know. And the eggplants are gone. I really hope before, well, okay. I don't know, it's not. We have one right there, but we're definitely not gonna see anything from that. I think we're gonna give that to my husband's friend. I have to trim this though. I'm bringing this. My husband says I'm not, but I am. He just doesn't realize it yet. And I already snipped these, so I'm just waiting on the peas to dry so I can just harvest them. Not to eat, but so I can have the seeds. And then I regrow them. Oh, one last look. See? Got a better walkway now. So pretty. And then the ones on the ceiling right here. Not on the ceiling, on the rail. Oh, I saved my cilantro, guys. And then I thought this was I thought it was a garlic, and then I pulled it out and I realized it was just a green onion. Come on, try to sit here. Okay. I know, this big one out of nowhere, huh? Okay, we're just gonna leave that. Alright, potatoes are done. you don't have to do this. I'm just extra. That's it. All right, we're all cleaned up. Okay. I'm gonna look up recipes so I can preserve and eat this. Cause I gotta pick another one outside. Not today, but on Friday I'll just rip it out. All right, let me see. Oh, maybe I can make like some candies or some snoepjes. Iets lekker. Ooh, I can maybe dry it, get some tea out of it. You know how people dry the roots? I just chop off the root, put it outside in the sun, dry it off. I might try that.